Welcome to this transformative journey into mindset reprogramming. In this video, we'll explore practical techniques that empower you to identify and challenge limiting beliefs, paving the way for positive change and personal growth. Let's dive in if you're ready to reshape your thought patterns and unlock your full potential. What is mindset and why is it important? Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world. The collection of thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes shapes your perceptions and actions. A positive, growth-oriented mindset can open doors to new opportunities, while a negative or fixed mindset can hold you back. How does mindset influence our experiences? Your mindset influences every decision, reaction, and goal. For example, someone with a growth mindset sees challenges as opportunities to learn, while someone with a fixed mindset may view them as insurmountable obstacles. Understanding this can help you see how powerful your mindset truly is. Identifying limiting beliefs that hold you back. Limiting beliefs are subconscious thoughts that constrain your potential. These can sound like, "I'm not good enough," or "success is only for other people." Recognizing these thoughts is the first step toward breaking free from their grip. Some common limiting beliefs include, "I'll never be able to do that." "I don't deserve happiness or success." "Change is too hard for me." These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal expectations, or fear of failure. What's a recurring negative thought I have about myself? When I'm faced with challenges, what excuses do I make? What's a goal I've hesitated to pursue and why? The power of self-reflection and questioning. Self-reflection allows you to uncover hidden barriers. Question the validity of your beliefs. Is this true? What evidence supports this belief? Often you'll find that these beliefs lack substance. The cognitive reframing technique. Cognitive reframing involves shifting your perspective. For instance, change. "I always fail at this" to "every attempt teaches me something valuable." By reframing, you're training your brain to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Affirmations are powerful statements that replace negativity with positivity. Repeat phrases like, "I am capable and strong." "I deserve success and happiness." Say them daily and believe in their truth. Visualization and mental imagery exercises. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals. See, hear, and feel the success. Visualization activates the same neural pathways as actual experiences, reinforcing your belief in your capabilities. Embracing growth mindset principles. A growth mindset thrives on the belief that abilities can be developed through effort and learning. Celebrate mistakes as stepping stones to mastery. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Setting achievable goals and celebrating progress. Break large goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate every win, no matter how small, to build momentum and confidence. Building self-compassion and resilience. Be kind to yourself. Understand that setbacks are a natural part of growth. Practice self-compassion by speaking to yourself as you would to a dear friend. Gratitude practices and journaling. End each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, fostering positivity. Mindfulness meditation for mental clarity. Meditation helps you stay present and reduces mental clutter. Even a few minutes of focused breathing daily can enhance clarity and calm. Surrounding yourself with positive influences. Your environment matters. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Limit exposure to negativity, whether it's toxic relationships or unproductive habits. Mindset reprogramming is a journey, not a destination. By understanding, identifying, and challenging limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering ones, and maintaining a positive outlook, you can transform your life. Remember, change begins with a single thought. Start today and watch your world evolve. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Together, let's create a world filled with limitless possibilities.